get your own style quotient and just be your own rock star and stuff, So all these tips help, and in your workstations, a good idea is to kind of have these, oils. I've got this on my table. So every time you pass by, every time you get into your room, you get the aroma and the fragrance of this, and with the amazing exuberance of the oil and stuff. If you're in a not so great state of mind, or you've had a like a not so good moment at your office or in your personal spaces and stuff, including your rooms, this changes the state of mind and stuff, right? This helps you also get a little more sensual and opens up your life to a different dimension of retail therapy and stuff like that. So these little tips help you, and the crux of it all is that rather than physical appearance, what's very important is your emotional and mental being. A person who's mentally and emotionally at balance and stuff will usually perform in a balanced manner and usually behave in a balanced manner than someone who's just on their own, trying to score, trying to prove that what they're saying is right and stuff, and they want to force their logic and opinions on other people. So if you like this, you can give me a thumbs up. I'm on jkapani@gmail.com. I'm on jashinkapani.office@gmail.com and jashinkapani.im@gmail.com. So jokes apart, I mean, yeah, I think my doctor has changed because I've put the other senior guy in place for not being on time, because I don't think he respects structure and discipline. So it's very important to value time and energy of other people, because people travel long distances and they do these long planning to see a doctor and stuff, and then people don't show up. So now when you don't feel great when your doctor doesn't show up on time, you have to understand how people would feel when certain people in their offices don't show up on time, be it your bosses or be it your colleagues or be it other people and stuff. So very important is to kind of stay positive, because every day is not the same day, and shit and stuff happens at work, but these little tips will definitely help you. And lastly, if you got a pet at home, try and spend some time with your pet in nature. It definitely helps you. So when people used to share this, that go for a walk and be around animals and stuff, they were not giving you any kind of gyan, or they were not kind of lecturing you and stuff. It's actually true, because when you spend time in nature, there's so much more that it does to you and your system and stuff. So spend time in nature as well, and of course carry some nature into your rooms as well. I've got these bottles. I think during Corona I shared this, or after Corona I shared this, that these little simple things give joy to me. They give pleasure to me. I love looking at this bottle, because it's got this amazing sunshine through it, and then I've got these amazing leaves and everything. So every time I feel a little down, or I'm not feeling that great, or I want relaxation for my eyes, because I read a lot or I spend my time on my computer, and naturally read this. So these little things are going to help you overcome not feeling so good and great, and this helps to kind of keep your energy up and keep your momentum and outlook positive. Yeah. And lastly, chocolates help the best, okay? So jkapani@gmail.com, jashinkapani.im@gmail.com, jashinkapani office@gmail.com. Love and luck. Hope this helps, hope this works, and remember, always a good idea to give joy and happiness and feeling positive and feeling good a priority, because if you feel good, everything feels good. Okay, I'm going to zip it now. So catch you later in my next video. Hope you like this, and thank you for your messages, and thank you for your likes. Keep doing the good work, and Hakuna Matata. Bye bye.